How to bundle items on Vinted. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can bundle items on Vinted. So before I go further, I must let you know that there are two ways to bundle items on Vinted. You can either bundle items as a seller or as a shopper. So as a seller, in order to bundle items, simple. The first step is to log in into your Vinted account, just like I have done here. And then once you've done that, you can see your home page. You can see the different other products that have been published by other sellers. So just move to the top right corner and click on the Sell Now button. So after clicking on the Sell Now button, you'll be taken to the next page. So on this page, you can still sell an item. So now for you to be able to create a bundle, under this add up to 20 photos, you can now go ahead and upload photos of the items that you would like to bundle. It could be a group of skirts, it could be a group of jumpsuits, or a group of products that you'd like to bundle. All right. So once you click on upload photos, by the left side, you would see that your computer devices will be displayed. So just head over to where the pictures of the items are located, and then once you can see it, you can just go ahead and upload the ones that you would like to sell. All right, so I'll just go ahead and select the images right now. So you have to select them one after the other. So just select the bundle that you would like to sell. Ensure that in the same category. Note that this is just an example. That is why I'm not using similar items. All right. But for you, ensure you select similar items as a bundle for easy production. For it easy sell. Sorry. And note that images larger than 9 MB cannot be uploaded. So ensure that you select low quality images that are not up to 9 MB. And then once you're done, scroll down and then give the bundle a title. All right, so it could be jacket bundle, for example, and then you can now go ahead to describe the item. Has it been worn only a few times? Is it a new item? You can just say a new package, for example, and then you can select the category. All right, which category does it fall under? Is it for men? Is it for women? All right, just go ahead and select it. For me, I'm selecting women, and then clothing and outerwear. All right, jackets. Select the kind, and then you can go ahead and select the brand as well. Okay, bundle. All right, and then select the size. What size are you selling? Just go ahead and select it. Select the condition as well. Is it new without tags? Is it new with tags? Then select the colors. All right, you have to select about 2 to 3 colors, and so or more than, all right, as many as you can. Then select the kind of material you are selling. Okay, just go ahead and select them. And then once you're done, add a price. This is very, very essential. Ensure that you add a price. So I'm just going to add this and then select the size, the parcel size. Okay. For the item, since it's a bundle, it's always advisable that you use a large item depending on the quality of the product. Then you want it to be a bulk item, you can select that, and then you can give feedback to the site, or if not, just go ahead and click on upload, and then your bundle has been created. Now this is for you as a seller. Okay, so then, but then if you want to select a bundle as a shopper, it is also very easy. Just go to your Vinted account, the home page, and here go ahead and select the seller that you'd like to buy a bundle from. So for me, I'll be working with this first seller here, which is like Chrono Russ 16, and then you'll be brought to the seller's profile page. So once you're on this page, next step is to explore the items of the seller. So once you've explored the items, ensure that when you find the items that you like, you add them to your like list by tapping on the art icon over here. So go ahead and click on whenever you find an item that you like, ensure you click on the art icon here. All right. After exploring the seller's page, click on the art icon. So after doing that, would be for you to check the seller's page and look for the option which says create a bundle. Now you must note that not all sellers accept this, so not all sellers showcase this option. All right, so for the particular seller, having checked the profile, you can see that she does not accept creating a bundle, but for sellers that accept it, you see the option create a bundle. So click on the option, and then after clicking on that option, you would add the items that you've liked into the list. So after adding the items, go ahead and request a bundle, then wait for the seller to accept it. So once the seller approves your bundle, you can now go ahead and purchase it, and then you would enjoy your items. So these are the two ways you can bundle items on Vinted. Very, very easy. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks.